Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Bill Mala from Kiro Energy. So before we start, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification button plus anytime we release a new video, you be first as you get it. And then this you have the question of whatever I'm going to talk about today. Just drop it on the comments. Be sure that we're going to respond to you. So we just finished installing and we just commissioned our latest system there in Lagos, which is a 2.5 kVA system. So what makes a 2.5 kVA system? It's simply that the inverter system is 2.5 kVA rating. So this inverter system you are seeing here is a Felicity manufactured inverter system, which also has it's a 2.5 kVA system, 24 volts. So what it means that you need at least 2 units of 12 volts battery to be able to supply this inverter system. And right here we have our 12 volts battery, 2 years of 12 volts, 220 hour battery, which cumulatively gives us 4.8 kilowatts hour battery storage. And this battery is a very good battery from Delma. That's the D2H company. The same company that produces quarter batteries. This battery you see here has 18 months of warranty. Also, inverter system at most of the tests you see this setup has 12 months of warranty. So let's talk about the system. Like I mentioned, this inverter here is a 2.5 kVA 24 volt inverter system. And what you have here is our solar charge controller, MPPT. That's maximum power tracking solar charge controller. And this is actually a 80 amps to like 4 volts rating. And then what you have the right is our protection system. Like I always mention, protection first. Protection first. You cannot spend money investing in solar without also spending money to invest in the protection. And right here we have a connection, a combiner box, which contains our protection system, which includes our automatic voltage protects. Also we have our surge protection, also the miniaturized current circuit breakers and the rest of them. So I'm going to show you the roof. Over the roof, we have 6 units of 430 watt crystalline solar panel connected in a 2x3 configuration. What it simply means that we'll have 2 connected in series and 3 connected in parallel. So I'm going to show you the roof so you see how the connection between are there. So cumulatively, what we had in the roof is a total generation capacity, as we like to measure, a total generation capacity of 2,580 watts peak. That is our total generation capacity. And we have an inverter capacity of 2.5 kVA and a battery or storage capacity of 4.8 kilowatts hour. So overall, this system can completely serve most of your household bills. For this particular client that we just served, this client is going to be powering his light bulbs, his refrigerator, his laptops, his monitors, his television, his fans, up to 3 days of standing fans with this system. And this is going to supply him 24 hours of uninterrupted electricity, even without the bridge, that is NEPA or generator backup or generator support. So with this, our clients can comfortably live the best peace of mind without worrying about national grid collapse, without worrying about increase in tariffs, without worrying about scarcity of fuel, without worrying about anything that has to do with electricity from our external source. With solar, we'll be able to have a total control of your energy usage, your energy consumption, your energy supply, and your energy generation. So, why do you choose solar? Like I mentioned, solar is cheap. It might appear expensive when it comes to the initial capital involved in setting it up. But over time, if you calculate how much you bought of fuel, if you calculate the kind of hard bridge you have, opportunities you've missed because you don't have electricity from the equator or generator, you see that solar pays you over time. So this is what this system will be able to do. This is the capacity of this system. Like I said, it's going to supply 24 hours of uninterrupted electricity for our client to supply all the goods I mentioned already. So like I said, always reach out to us. Be free to drop your comments on the comment section. any question you have, whether technical question, whether utility question, whether pricing question, just send us a message. I'm going to answer it. And then before we go, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, share this video, let it go viral. Anybody that needs solar, as long as Nigeria is outside, just reach out to us. We have our installer all over the country. And also, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't forget to hit the notification button. So that anytime we release a new video, you'll be the first person to get it. So I'm still your guide, Barry Opala from Kiro Energy. Peace and bye.